This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Hey, I was looking at grills and came across two interesting ones: the Nexgrill Fortress 2-burner B0CXJMJ9FF and the Weber Genesis 2E-315 B07H6188FC. Want to help me compare?
Sure thing. I've heard of both. What are you looking for in a grill?
Well, portability is a plus, and I don't need a massive grilling area. But I also want something that's gonna last. The Nexgrill is obviously smaller, right?
Definitely. The Nexgrill boasts 263 square inches of cooking space and is designed to be portable, weighing only about 28 pounds. The Weber is a beast at 148 pounds, with a much larger 669 square inches of cooking area. So unless you're planning on feeding a small army, the Nexgrill might be better for portability.
Okay, that makes sense. And what about power? I want something that heats up quickly.
The Weber has a higher BTU output at 39,000 with 3 burners, while the Nexgrill has 13,500 BTU with 2 burners. So the Weber will probably heat up faster and provide more consistent heat across a larger surface.
Good to know. The Nexgrill does have a 2-in-1 griddle and grill thing going on, though. Is the Weber versatile like that?
Not really. The Weber focuses on grilling, but it is iGrill 3 smart technology compatible, so you can monitor the temperature of your food with your phone. Kinda cool, if you're into that.
That's kinda neat. What about fuel type? Does one use propane and the other natural gas?
Yep, exactly. The Nexgrill is designed for liquid propane, making it more portable, while the Weber is a natural gas grill, which is convenient if you have a natural gas line already installed.
And what about durability? I've heard Weber is a pretty reputable brand.
They are. Weber is known for its build quality, and the Genesis 2E-315 has a 10-year warranty on all parts. While the Nexgrill seems well made based on customer reviews, Weber has a longer track record and a stronger warranty.
Okay, so it sounds like the Nexgrill is great if I need something portable and versatile, and the Weber is the way to go if I want a larger, more powerful, and durable grill connected to natural gas.
Spot on. Also, the Weber is currently unavailable, so that might make your decision for you right now.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.